Hello everyone, welcome to A Bumpy Ride, a little demo game where the whole objective, from what I've seen, listen to that music, beautiful, but the whole point of the objective is to drive a train from point A to point B to point C to point D to point E to point G to point F to point, goes on and on. Let's give it a play. Wow! Upgrades. Ooh, I want more customers. Oh, that's 60. That's 100. That's 150. Cool. Well, let's leave, I guess. Oh, we can buy other trains? Ooh. I do kind of like this one, but I don't know. This one, to me, looks even better. What if I make it... Oh, that changes the flag. Well, I do like the color blue, so we are going to... We're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to have some little pause to the flag. I think that's cool. Anyway, let's take off. Oh, day one. Look at us. Little choo-choo train. Okay, I think it's... Yeah, it's teaching us how to drive the train. Okay, good. We're full of fuel. Anyway, where are we? Okay, interesting. So we've got 4 places there. Anywhere else that I need to worry about? Not by the look of it. I will add this where I stand, though. There we go. I will say there was a little tutorial for this, but it was literally just a manual, so, you know. Look at the little chugger. Might as well get that speed up and running, you know. Yeah, we want to go right. Look at us. Ah, this view is beautiful, to be honest. Whoop, what's that say? Slow. Oh, okay. Like, look at this train. Chugging on down the mountain. Oh. To be honest, trains are magnificent. Like, you know. They're these, even though they're very dangerous and such, but like, look at them. Oop. Can they board? I need to be back further. No, I don't. Okay. To Bloomwater. Now, if I'm correct, Bloomwater, whoop, I did not mean to do that, is all the way up there. Am I facing the right direction to get there? Seems like I am. Hold up, wait. Am I? If I go right, I want to go right, not left, because... Oh, jeez, I keep accidentally creating those. We want to go right, so this is the right way. There we go. Get that water back in. Look at us go. Oh, a little sugar. A little choo-choo. Take it a little calmer around this. Wait, is this... What is this place? Dynamite? Okay. Well, while we still have the chance. It's good to know for future reference. But like, look. Ah. Oh, the view's amazing. Just over this little bridge. Chug water mining. Anyway, let's get along on this adventure. Hope I am heading in the right direction. Nope, this isn't the right direction. Maybe it is. Where is... hopefully it's somewhat of the right direction. Happy, 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 happy. Okay. Gonna slow down a little bit for this corner. Like, look at how calm it is. Oh, actually, I'm gonna go a little slower in here. It's very dark. Ah, the forest. Oh. Oh, look, a blocked off tunnel. Would I need to bring dynamite here? Hopefully I'm already turning. Ah, it's closed. Okay, that's fine. They're all so happy. Look at them. However, we might be a little late now. We've got an hour. Yeah, oh no, we got 2 hours for these three, but an hour for this guy. I'm sorry. Hold up. I want to go left because hopefully that leads back up there, right? Back through the next tunnel. Ah, look at us chugging through this little tunnel. Full speed. Might want to slow down because it does seem like there's a little bit more of a bend up ahead. Little rustling of the train. I believe we would want to go straight, right? Actually, no, we would probably want to turn right, so... There we go. I'll get you guys to your destination eventually. Just matters how long this train ride is. We're gonna be stuck here for days, traveling aimlessly. They're gonna be like, why did you take so long? I didn't know where to go and I kind of got lost. Well, we have 20 minutes to get there before the top guy gets a little upset. So let's have a quick look. So we want to go right. Right is the only way to go. There we go. Slow down a bit so we can take the corner easily. Oh my god, we might actually make it in time. Oh, come on, I tried. Kobe Station, okay. Have I even been to those stations? Let me check the map. Oh. Well, that's relatively easy to do. Full speed ahead. Got a little bit of money for that. That's pretty good. Now we just got to get to the next area with these two. I want us to go slow. I understand this mountain ridge does look quite dangerous. Hey, at least look at the view. Like, over all that desert? Yeah, I'm happy I'm in this train. Chugging on down the tracks. Such a beautiful area. Wait, where is this end slow? Oh, there it is. Okay. Well, I gotta keep going slow until I make it. Yeah, there we go. Everyone's happy. Speed up a little bit and then lower because that's too high of a steep for this little loco. These two twists I can take because they aren't going to be that crazy. Yeah, I decided to go with this game today because it's much calmer, much more relaxed. You know, not as much craziness as all the other videos that I've done recently. Running around being murdered, running around solving mysteries while excitedly trying not to cause too much damage. Just all these fun things. But this one's just a calm little train drive. There we go. They're all super happy about that. Okay, so we got 2 for Dust Bowl. 3 for Dust Bowl, 1 for Chug Water. Okay, I'm gonna try and chug water, but I am not too sure. Oh. Wait, if I go down, that will probably connect to that. It'll go across, get to there, and then I can go down. Hopefully. If my math checks out. That is. What? There's a dead end right to my right. That's interesting. Oh, come on. I tried to go a little slower. At least everyone else is happy. Also, I'm definitely going to need more water. Really sweet and beautiful game, though. Like, look at the graphics. It's really adorable. The pixelated vibe, but it's not completely pixelated. Like, so fun. Anyway, yeah, I thought I was meant to go this way. This is the tunnel I went through earlier, so I'm gonna have to change the tracks up ahead. Into the tunnel. Here we go. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Look at us go. Just so that we're not drifting around these corners too hard. Might as well take it a little slower. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that was a pretty calm corner to take, but alright. Fine then, I guess it wasn't. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty steep. Ooh, this is pretty steep. Go, little train, go. Yay. Oh, wait, sorry, that was the wrong button. I meant it. There we go. Look at how high we are. Look at that view. We're going to be pulling our stop for a small second. I have a wonderful look at this view. Such a fabulous view. Feel free to just look out the window. Like, look, the little trees, the little pods. It's just, it's so adorable. Anyway, I gotta go slow here anyway, so good time to slow down. Just like, look at that view. End of slope, wonderful. However, this does start to seem to go down, so I might not want to go too fast here. I'll speed up a little. Like that corner right here, that does not look safe to be going at the speed I just went. Wait, did this go around in a loop? No, because I went up that track, so this is the other side of the track. Okay, I'm fine. Actually, am I fine? No, because that's going to lead me back up here, and I want to go down. That's not great. The only idea I have is going backwards, but I don't want to do that. Because that's just slow. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, wait. Oh, I know what to do. So, fun fact about trains. You don't really need massive, like, interjunctions or, like, roundabouts. Okay, good to know that's how that works. I just wanted to, like, slow down. I didn't know it was going to slam the brakes. Okay. So if going on the fast speed, then when leaving... Yeah, okay, that's not good. Sorry, customers, for that horrible ordeal. I'm a horrible train driver so far. I've taken us on the most wild route, slammed on the brakes, and then tried to compensate you for it by apologizing. And blowing my whistle. So I'm incredibly sorry. I don't want to make this guy any more angry, and these guys seem pretty chill, so you know. Like, big turns is fine, it's just the small turns like this that kind of leans the car. And right here where it says slow, you just gotta slow it all down. I believe I can drop off some here and pick up some other ones. I don't know if each car can only hold 2. Hopefully they can hold more than 2. But I do not know. Okay, only one person wants on, and they want to go to Bloom, which I have no idea where that is. Wonderful. We don't need a refuel. We refilled only moments ago. We're fine. Okay, Dust Bowl guy is still angry with me. Time to pick up the pace through this canyon. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Because I think this is the right way, right? Yeah. I was going to say, there's only one other track that I didn't take earlier, so presumably that is this track. That leads to Dust Bowl. And then Bloom... Brave man saying he wants to be at Bloom Station that, early? 9 p.m? People are only getting to go home at 9? Fair enough. Busy work day, a busy life, as they say. And then pull into the station and brake. Not as happy, fair enough, but hey, at least people are enjoying it. Some of them are dizzy. Ooh, I think that might say a lot about me. So we need to go to Bloom Water? Because I believe I picked up a guy from Chugwater. But someone wanted to go back to Chugwater. Well, if I go the other way... Yeah, no, it's better if I go the other way, because otherwise I'm going down that route, which is quite monstrously the wrong route. So I go into Chugwater, drop off a person I just picked up from here, and then go to the next area. Okay. Fine by me. Chugga. Look at that little train, it's so cute. And then once I drop off the, and as you see, we're pushing through the canyons right now. Not the grand ones, because I don't think we have the license for that. Isn't it funny? All the other stations have taken so long, but this one's just like, go back the way you came. Hey, no one's here. That's good. That means these guys might be the last ones. Anyway, this one says slow. Because this way takes me back around up there, and then I can finally complete that little bit of the track. Look at it. Using its little light to see where everything is. Also, is the reason we're forced to go slow because it's hard to climb or just because it's a dangerous trip? Why are you sad? Oh, because it's 9. Oh, you're right. Okay. Well, I'm sorry. You guys wanted to get from one point to another in, like, the least amount of time. Complain to me all you want. This is your own fault. I'm trying here. I'm going to show you how much I'm trying by going top speed from here on out. Because I believe it's literally up there and it's just like 2 turns. 3 if that had been the wrong way, because then I would have had to have reversed and such. I'm sorry. I'm happy you're still at least somewhat happy. Get happy, all of you. Yay! Wow! That went pretty well. I got an average score of B. That's pretty good. Well, that, my friends, is a bumpy ride. A really fun train adventure. Sadly, only in its demo, but when this properly comes out, I think I might get it. Ride around on trains, show you guys the fun life of being a train guy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful night. Bye!